SUI's price has dropped by 5.7% in the last 24 hours, bringing it down to 1.0099 and testing the key psychological support level of $1. This move has drawn attention from market participants who are closely watching whether the price will hold or break below this level. The drop follows a failed attempt to maintain position above $1.41, a significant Fibonacci retracement level that had been a target for any potential recovery. The price has been in a steady downtrend since reaching a peak of $4.14, with multiple support levels at $3.50, $3.10, $2.78, $2.45, and $2 being breached in succession. This pattern suggests a strong bearish trend with ongoing selling pressure dominating the market. The recent drop has brought SUI very close to the $1 mark, a level that is both psychologically and technically significant. If the price stabilizes here, it could signal a potential floor for the asset. However, if SUI slides below $1, the next support levels to watch are 85 cents and 75 cents. Analysts have warned that if the selling pressure intensifies, the price could drop even further, potentially reaching 60 cents. This scenario would represent a significant correction from its recent highs and could indicate a deeper bearish move. Market observers are closely monitoring the $1.41 and $2.01 levels, which have historically acted as resistance points. A successful retest and breakout from these levels could signal the start of a more sustained recovery. Some experts believe that if SUI manages to reclaim $1.41, it could potentially push toward. Most people arrive after the move is obvious and the easy upside is gone. We focus on serious crypto education and high-quality signals before the crowd rushes in, so you can understand the setup earlier and move sooner. If you want that edge, visit the link below now. $1.70 and possibly $2.01. These levels are seen as key indicators of market sentiment and could influence investor behavior significantly. The current price action is also drawing increased trading volume, as seen on the charts, which suggests a growing interest in the asset among traders. Investor interest in SUI has waned as the price approaches the $1 level. This is a notable shift from earlier periods when the asset was gaining more traction in the market. The recent correction has left many investors cautious, and the market is now waiting for a clear signal that could either confirm a recovery or a deeper decline. The next key signal to watch is whether SUI can stabilize above $1 and begin a new rally. A failure to hold above this level could trigger further selling and push the price toward the next support zones. On the other hand, a strong rebound from $1 could indicate a shift in market sentiment and potentially lead to a more bullish move. The current situation is particularly important for investors who are looking for signs of a potential recovery in the SUI market. The asset has shown a pattern of declining through multiple support levels, indicating a strong bearish trend. However, the $1 level is a crucial test and could serve as a turning point if buyers step in. The next few days will be critical in determining whether SUI can hold above $1 or if it will continue its downward trajectory. The market is currently in a state of uncertainty, with traders and investors closely watching for any signs of a reversal. If SUI manages to stabilize above $1 and begins to show signs of recovery, it could attract new buyers and potentially trigger a rally. This would be a significant development, as it would indicate a shift in market sentiment and could lead to increased trading activity. On the other hand, a continued decline below $1 could lead to a broader sell-off and a deeper correction in the market. The next key signal to watch is whether SUI can hold above $1 and begin a new rally. A successful retest of this level could signal a potential recovery, while a failure to hold could indicate a deeper bearish move. The current price. Most people arrive after the move is obvious and the easy upside is gone. We focus on serious crypto education and high-quality signals before the crowd rushes in, so you can understand the setup earlier and move sooner. If you want that edge, visit the link below now. Action is a critical test for the asset, and the outcome will have significant implications for investors and traders alike. The market is currently in a state of uncertainty, with investors waiting for a clear signal that could either confirm a recovery or a deeper decline. The next few days will be crucial in determining the direction of the SUI price. If the asset can stabilize above $1 and begin a new rally, it could attract new buyers and potentially trigger a broader recovery. On the other hand, a continued decline could lead to a deeper correction and a broader sell-off in the market. The current price action is a key test for the asset, and the outcome will have significant implications for investors and traders alike.